Society. So as you can see, there is an automatic door here. Konting push lang and it will open. So imagine if you have a laundry, a bag full of laundry. Push mo lang. Right? May dala ka, automatically it will open for you. Konting push lang. And at the same time, with pull as well. Alright? So, eto siya. Ano ba naman ang ambience, diba? Maglalabaha lang, pero my goodness, parang ka nasa ibang mundo. So, ganito siya. So, yan, may mga instructions dito. Very easy to follow lang. And they even have a menu. Look. Okay. And, syempre, may support dyan if you want to call them for support. Napaka-convenient. You just have to tap here to pay. And then you'll choose from wash or dry. And then yan, may mga washers. Dito yung side ng washers. And then for the tradies as well. And meron din para sa pets. O, diba? Then after that, may dryer din sila. Look. Grabe, napakagaling doon nakaisip ng concept na to. Diba? So yan, naglalabangan na at the same time. Ang ganda pa ng paligid. May TV rin, may pa-TV din ang lola mo. May upuan. So you can relax. O diba? O sa mga nagtitipid sa wifi dyan, sa data. Ayan, may wifi. Libre ang wifi. O diba? So makikita nyo doon, may libro ako doon. Kasi sabi ko, I'll take this moment na habang naglalaba ako. Tapusin ko na yung mga iba ko pang pending na trabaho. Yan o, yan o. So, kung wala kang bag, meron din sila, bag. Nilagayan din sila ng mga laundry. Andyan. Ang ganda o. Ayan, di ba? Bakit na pahihirapan ng buhay mo? May washing machine naman kami. May dryer din. Pero dito, ibang level eh. Kumbaga, napaka-convenient. And at the same time, paglabas ng damit sa dryer, ano na siya? Parang in-iron. So, Spin Society, Buchanan. O, diba? Yan, may aircon din siya. Ang ganda. Ang galing na nakaisip nito. It's the first time na nakakita ko ng ganitang laundromat. Sa totoo lang. Diba? Sa Falcon pala to, by the way. Spin Society and Falcon. And one time, I can't remember the name of the owner. Nakausap ko na siya one time eh. And then, she told me na they have plans as well of having another one somewhere nearby. So, let's see. Galing. Galing ng business niya, nakakatuwa. Sana all. Ayan. Sige, laban muna. Laban muna. Okay? Good morning! So, nasan ako ngayon? Ito, Labandera Ampeg. Hanapin mo ko. Labandera Ampeg to today. But at the same time, kasi medyo tawag dito, ayoko naman nakatunga nga dito. Ayoko rin siyang iwan kasi after washing, diretso dryer na siya. So, I still have to wait few more minutes. So, instead of me just sitting around or ano pa ba, syempre Facebook, siguro, sabi ko sa sarili ko, dalhin ko na yung trabaho ko. Para at least tapos na, di ba? Ayan, so, trabaho muna ako. Dali nga, di ba? Napakaganda dito kasi very, kumbaga parang mamamaximize mo yung time mo. Tapos to, ayan, meron na. May mga maglalaban na. So, siguro, off ko muna to, ha? See ya. Bye. Good morning. I'm vlogging. I'm promoting your Spin Society. You're welcome. Okay, I'll just hold it off for the meantime because I don't want to capture someone else's faces. See ya. Thank you. Ito naman ako, the dryer. Segregated. Don't worry, I'm not capturing your face. So, bayad naman tayo. So, this time is for dryer. So, see? It's pretty dry. Okay, so now, mag-start na tayo mag-dryer, okay? Okay. So here, so you can see here, ayan, i-click ko lang next. Start. Spin, spin, spin. And this one also here, you can see. Just have to click next and start. It starts now. Okay, sige, work muna tayo ulit. Ganun lang. Then, pagdating sa bahay, sasegregate talaga mga anak ko. Diba? So, I can do another task again after that. Diba? Tapusin ko lang yung aking trabaho. O, diba? Nakapaglaban na ako. Nakapagtrabaho pa. We're back! Now, it's dry. So, I'm going to remove them now out from the dryer. Tapos, i-fold ko dito. Alright? Okay. Ayan. Ito na rin ako nagpo-fold. Sabi nga, di ba? Tulad man, nag-iisa naman ako dito. So, bakit ba? Kaya nga merong ganyan.
It'll go again.
Huh?
It'll go again for 2 minutes if you don't open the door.
Ah, really?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
It's a fire hazard thing. I don't know why.
I didn't know that.
No, that's right. So
All
you
right.
can stop or you can just stop it yourself.
Okay. Thank you for telling me that. Okay, so it's cycle complete, so you make sure that you open it.